I'm getting older, no one's gonna marry me. So I stopped having this mindset. You know what, Ida? Allah just wants you to spend more time with Him, and He wants you to get to know yourself so that you can be awesome. Please don't forget the people that are already in your life, i.e. especially your parents. Before I got married, I was so clingy with my mom and my dad. Our family and our parents have done so much for us that every time I start to get sad about not being married, I look at my parents and at my sisters and all of my amazing friends that I already have in my life, and I'm like, why are you so sad? You have all this love around you. You are so loved. You're not alone. If I am going to continue worrying about getting married, I will miss out on all of the opportunities that I currently have to hang out and to spend time with the people that are already in my life, and I don't want that. I really asked myself, okay Ida, why is it that you really wanted to get married? I think a lot of us want to get married because we think that it's the next thing to do. But when I had that conversation with myself, I realized that I didn't have any concrete answers. So if you're saying, oh, getting married is half of the deen, or getting married is one of Rasulullah SAW sunnah, then ask yourself, have you done any other sunnahs of Rasulullah SAW? Have you tried to complete the other half of your deen? Because there are many things to do in Islam than just getting married. So like you said, oh, I'll be less lonely when I get married. Married people do get lonely. Getting married will not solve any of your problems. In fact, you will have more problems when you get married. Okay, no, don't quote me on that. If you're going into a marriage with all these expectations because you think this person that you're gonna marry is gonna be your hero or your savior, or he's gonna solve all of your problems, then I'm sorry to disappoint you, because he or she is just a normal human being like yourself. It's not fair to expect this person that you're gonna marry to complete your life. You have to complete yourself first, and the right partner will just enhance your awesomeness. Most importantly, you guys, please make dua for it more than you talk or think about it. And if Allah thinks you're ready, He will definitely bring this life partner to you in the most beautiful way. It's all in Allah's time. It's not in our time. So trust in the love story that Allah has written for you. You don't have to busy yourself trying to write one for yourself. Pray for it consistently, and remember that our goal in this life is not just to get married. Our goal in this life is to serve Allah and to please Him and to be the best version of ourselves.